You're wiring a linear actuator to a motor controller, and the spec sheet lists stall current in amps. But your relay datasheet rates its coil current in milliamps. You glance between the two numbers, and for a split second, you're not sure they're compatible. That moment of confusion is exactly how components get fried and fuses get undersized. This is where a simple current unit converter saves you real headaches. This calculator takes any electrical current value in microamps, milliamps, amps, or kiloamps and instantly converts it to all 4 units at once. You type in your number, select your source unit, and every conversion updates live as you type. No buttons to click, no formulas to punch in manually. The math behind it is straightforward. Every current unit relates back to amps by a fixed power of 10. 1 amp equals 1000 milliamps or 1 million microamps. 1 kiloamp equals 1000 amps. So the converter takes your input, multiplies it by the source unit factor to get amps, then divides by the target unit factor to get your result. That's it. Simple multiplication and division, but automated so you never miscount zeros. Here's where it matters in practice. Say your actuator draws 5 amps at stall, and your relay is rated at 3000 milliamps. Plug in 5 amps and you'll instantly see that's 5000 milliamps, well beyond your relay's rating. You just avoided a failure. Or maybe you're reading a sensor output in microamps and need to confirm your data acquisition system can handle the signal range in milliamps. One entry gives you the answer. Even in heavy industrial work, converting between amps and kiloamps helps you verify breaker ratings and conductor sizing without second-guessing your decimal placement. Whether you're a maker prototyping on a bench or an engineer specifying components for production, quick, accurate unit conversion keeps your design safe and your builds reliable. Find the link in the description below to use this calculator and read the full engineering guide.